Hey, what's going on, guys? Just wanted to start a video going over my Robinhood portfolio, starting up a new channel, wanting to kind of record this journey of me learning how to invest and also take you guys on that journey with me. So, been focusing a lot lately on budgeting, investing, things of that nature. So, want to give you guys a quick look over my portfolio so you can see kind of some stocks I have going on here and how I'm going about investing. So first one is this Bank of America warrant B. No real reason for choosing this one besides it is a penny stock and it was pretty cheap to get into. Hoping for a quick jump in price and then I'll probably sell out there. So not too much to say about this one. This is kind of a alley, backyard level Bank of America stock here. So not expecting too much, but just kind of hoping for another spike in price here. That would be awesome. Next one is Ally Bank. If you don't know, they are an online bank. Branched off from Ford quite a while back. They used to finance auto loans for. Actually, not Ford. I believe it was GM or General Motors. So yeah, you see my average cost there was $18.90. So I got in early with them, and so far they're doing well. Recently got back into Ford Motor here. Average cost being $11.16. I was in on them back when they were 1071, but sadly I sold out, so that would have been a good one to hold on to. Third one is Vivint Solar. This one has been treating me really nicely. As you can see, my average cost is $3.15. I got in early and they have just been going up so far this past month, and they're up 88%. So that stock is also treating me well. Microsoft, just got into this stock not too long ago. When they were doing a little better, I got in around that nice rally right there. So hoping they get back to climbing there, so they can start giving me some sort of return here. They do have a nice dividend, so I am holding this one for the long term. So the ups and downs I'm not too concerned with right now. So next we have is Qualcomm. They are currently in a lawsuit with Apple, so their share actually suffered at the beginning of the year here. They were pushing 70, probably going to break that 70 mark, but then they got in a lawsuit with Apple in January. So they've since then gone down, and I got in with hopes that once that lawsuit is up, they will bounce back. We'll be holding this one for the long term. So they also have one of the best dividends in the tech sector. So good stock to hold. Next is AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. They've grown insanely this past year. So you can see they were $4 just last June, and they are up 185% since then. This one is expected to hit $20, so planning to hold this for the long run. So far it's been good to me. They do not pay a dividend. I am hoping that they go positive and stay positive as far as earnings this year. Next is Snap. The reason I got into the Snap one is because they were so cheap. They got down to $17, so I've just been holding this one at 17. Don't know why my average cost is saying 17.31, but so but I do plan on holding on to this one, hoping Snap can kind of pull forward there and go bullish. Uh, People are referencing their beginnings to the likes of Facebook. As soon as Facebook's IPO came out, they also did a massive drop, and then look at Facebook now. I mean, they're doing really good. So next stock is this small tech company, Ability Incorporated. They do things in the security, cyber intelligence sector. Got into this one because they were so cheap. Also doing well now since I've gotten in. So hoping they continue to grow. They are they have a really small market cap. So companies this size can often experience insane growth or turn really bad really quick. So I'm this is kind of a gamble here. Learning more about the company, but didn't want to wait to get involved with them. So if it turns out that they are not a good buy, after looking over things like their 10K and their 10Q and whatnot, then I will be selling them off. Next, we have a pharmaceutical company, AVEO. Reason I bought into them is because they just got good news as far as Europe supporting their cancer drug, and also they are in phase 3 of their clinical trials. There is a 50% chance that the phase 3 will fail, but I'm willing to take the risk because these stocks, when those trials do fail, you can kind of see here, they just skyrocket upwards. So it's kind of a high risk, high reward stock here. So hoping it pays off well. Another pharmaceutical company I'm involved in is PTLA. They have been really good. I got in around $38, and as soon as word broke about their phase 3 clinical trial being passing the FDA approval process, they just jumped up by $20 or so. So yeah. Last stock is AKTX. Still doing research on this company. They do have various products in phase 3 of their clinical trials as well. So hoping to get good news there. I've been doing some research on a lot of companies in the pharmaceutical industry. If you have not heard, that sector is doing much better under a presidency of Donald Trump. So he is going to be a little more lenient on the drug companies and on the health sector in general. So I would definitely get involved from a stock standpoint. A lot of history with these pharmaceutical companies that go up and down like this, and then they get one breakthrough, one phase 3 drug trial that passes. The stock can easily jump to $16-17, and if the FDA approves that drugs for wholesale resale and whatnot, then this stock can go upwards of $30 to $40. So hoping that pays off in the long run. Some stocks I'm also keeping an eye on is SunPower and First Solar. I am often in these stocks. I actually sold them off for a profit once they cross 40. I will be buying them once they get done with their rally here. So as you can see, First Solar tends to go up and come down and whatnot. So hoping to kind of get ahead on the stock with that rally. I'm also going to be buying in the Tesla soon. They are actually on a pullback right now, but this stock is just insane, gaining between $40 and $60 per month. So I've been on the sideline for this stock for quite a while, so planning on getting involved on those three, or back involved. So there you have it, guys. Those are the stocks I'm currently involved in. More videos to come like this. Like I just said, just now getting involved in the stock market and whatnot. Of course, the stock market is overvalued right now, so I am a little conservative with the amount I am putting into stocks. But just using this Robinhood account to kind of learn about investing and long-term investing, maybe swing trading and whatnot. I might not be doing too much day trading, but I guess we will see. All right, thanks, guys.